Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fenya and I'm your personal esthetician. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how to take care of dry skin. I know winter's around the corner. Well, technically it is here. It's Cali here and I don't feel like it's winter, but I'm sure other states it's getting pretty cold. So I want to show you guys how to take care of your skin and prevent it from getting really dry in this winter season. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's talk about why summertime dry skin tends to thrive and wintertime it suffers. By the way guys, I'm loving my chair. I feel like a queen. This chair is so huge for me. Anyways, so let's talk about this. So in the summertime, dry skin thrives because there's a lot of sweating going on. There's a lot of perspiration, you're sweating. So all of that plays a huge role in hydrating your skin and more lipids, more oil production, which protects your skin and keeps it lubricated and hydrated. Now in the summertime, of course, we have the wind, we have dry season, and all of that evaporates. Now, why is that? Why is it that oily skin tends to stay moisturized, stay hydrated, but dry skin doesn't? So let's talk about it. So I'm just gonna use this analogy really quickly. So this, I'm gonna pretend like this is your stratum corneum, which is your first layer of your dead skin. So oily skin tends to have, the dead skin is usually bonded and intertwined together. What ends up happening is all the moisture, all the oils gets to lock in and stay under the skin, trapped under the skin because your dead skin is intertwined and binded together to keep and lock the moisture. Now dry skin tends to have this look. I use my hands because I feel like it's like the best way and best analogy to show you guys what I mean, and I will show you a picture as well. So when the dead skin looks more propped up and expose the next layer, which is the stratum granulosum, which is the layer that holds and traps moisture into your skin. So when your stratum corneum is open and exposed, it evaporates the water and the moisture out of your skin, which creates more dryness. So the key to keeping your skin moisturized, helping your skin trap the moisture, what you want to do is you want to use ingredients to help protect your skin and fold that stratum corneum back down to help lock in the next layer underneath, which is the stratum granulosum. And the best way you can do that is using products that have more oils and lipids. We tend to use the hyaluronic acids, the water-based ingredients, which is great. I highly suggest it. But if you are severely dry, if you just use water-based ingredients, you tend to keep the skin still dry because you're not using enough oils and lipids to trap the moisture in. Hence the reason why a lot of people tend to use Vaselines, petroleum jelly. I have nothing against using Vaseline or petroleum jelly. The issue is some people cannot handle it. Some people feel like it can, clog pores, trap in dead skin. So the best alternative product is to use oils such as avocado oil, almond oil, any type of oil-based ingredient or moisturizer. You will help lock in that stratum corneum and trap the moisture back into your stratum granulosum. So let me show you guys the two products that I use in the winter time and the perks and the benefits of it. One is a little bit more richer and the other one is a little bit more lighter consistency. So it can target the severe dryness and the normal to dry skin. And I'm more towards the normal to dry skin in the winter time, but I can still handle the really rich one at night. So let me show you guys. So let's talk about the benefits of Soothe Me. Soothe Me, the viscosity and the texture of it initially, it feels like silk. The best way I can explain it is it just feels super silky, feels great on your skin, and it's a little bit more richer. Now I'll let you guys know on a little secret. Now this product is for my baby product collection. I developed a baby skincare line about a few years ago, and if you want to know the story, you can go to this video. But I created this line and I realized if it's safe enough for babies, if it's clean enough for babies, it's definitely clean enough for us. So the product was developed to protect their barrier and hydrate their skin, since they're pretty dry when they're born and all the way up to, toddlers. It helps to protect their skin. It helps to trap in moisture and heal your skin. Some of the ingredients in there are cucumbers, lecithin, vitamin E, and aloe. It's just very soothing, very hydrating, and traps in moisture. It's a true barrier protection. And now we have the Glow Elixir Oil. Glow Elixir Oil is very lightweight, and it still traps moisture, locks in moisture, but does not leave an oily, greasy residue. And the best part is there's only 4 ingredients in there: vitamin B, E, grapefruit, and apricot. It's very simple, goes into the skin, traps moisture, and leaves your skin supple, but without feeling the greasy, sticky feeling. I know there's a lot of oils out there that just feels really greasy. The best ways I can explain it is just feels really greasy. You will not feel like that with the Glow Elixir Oil, and it works amazing. I actually use it on my hands and I use it on my nails. I know it's kind of odd, but I use it on my nails when I'm doing my nails and I feel like my nails are just kind of really dry and rough. I apply it onto my nails and it feels great. All right, guys, so hopefully this video was educational and informative. If you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, comment down below in the comment section and I would be happy to help. And yes, I will definitely leave all the links of the products that we just mentioned in the description box, so you could just click and just read more about it. I will catch you guys on my next video and talk to you guys soon. Bye.